Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Yeah, yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Abby? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me, stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me, leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on the 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pot that ass till the morning come. You want shots for the girls, damn, order some.
So ano nga ba ang Linggo ng Kabataan? Ang Linggo ng Kabataan po ay isang mandato ng NYC na kung saan ito po ay taunang selebrasyon ng Linggo ng Kabataan. So ito po ay ginaganap sa buwan ng Agosto upang lalong paigtingin ang mga proyekto, aktibidad na pangkabataan.
Stacy,
Is it
Becky,
Is it
Keisha,
Is it
Ashley,
Was it
Danny,
Is it
Party.
Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
Hi guys, we're here at TGIF night.
Rescue, I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
I could stick around and get along with you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. It doesn't really mean that I'm into you. Hello, oh, oh, oh.
Ang Linggo ng Kabataan ay hindi lamang selebrasyon. Ito ay pakikiisa ng bawat kabataan at natututo tayo makiisa at nalalaman din natin yung boses nila kung ano yung gusto nilang mangyari sa linggong ito. Mahalaga ang Linggo ng Kabataan dahil dito nagkakaroon ng inclusivity, partisipasyon at naipapakita ang talento ng bawat isa.
Mahalaga ang Linggo ng Kabataan dahil dito kinikilala ang angking sipag, galing at talino ng bawat mga kabataan.
Mahalaga ang Linggo ng Kabataan upang kilalanin ang kakayahan ng bawat kabataan sa lipunan.
It's alright, I'm getting busy, just enjoy the party. It's okay with me if you don't have that much to say. Hey, kinda like this game, but there's something you should know. I just came to say hello.
Happy LNK everyone! Happy LNK everyone!
Happy LNK guys!
Happy LNK everyone!
Happy LNK everyone!
Happy LNK everyone! Happy LNK everyone!